1.5 cups basmati rice. 1 onion, finely chopped. 3 garlic cloves, minced. 1 inch ginger, grated. 1 green chili, sliced. 1 large tomato, chopped. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Salt to taste. 2 cups mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, potatoes. 1 cup chicken mutton vegetables, cooked and shredded. A half cup yogurt. 2 tablespoons ghee. 2 tablespoons oil. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 2 bay leaves. 3 green cardamom pods. 2 black cardamom pods. 4 cloves. 2 cinnamon sticks. 4 tablespoons fried onions. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves, chopped. 2 tablespoons mint leaves, chopped. 1 cup water. Instructions. Wash the rice and soak it in water for 30 minutes. In a large pot, heat the oil and ghee and add the cumin seeds, bay leaves, green and black cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon sticks. Cook until fragrant, about 2 minutes. Add the chopped onion and cook until golden brown, about 7 minutes. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger, cook for 2 minutes. Add the chopped tomato, cook until soft, about 5 minutes. Add the turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, red chili powder, and salt. Cook for 2 minutes. Add the mixed vegetables, cooked chicken mutton vegetables, yogurt, and water. Stir to combine. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pot. Stir to combine. Cover the pot and simmer on low heat until the rice is cooked, about 20 minutes. Garnish with fried onions, chopped coriander leaves, mint leaves, and sliced green chili. Enjoy your biryani.